This is the ESTA website. This is the official government website that you're looking for. What you'll need is your passport. You'll also need your itinerary, and you'll also need the details of where you're staying, both the address and phone number. First thing, on the first page, there's a place to upload your biodata. It's a bit confusing to do actually. You don't have to do it, just enter your details manually and proceed. Second tip, when you're entering addresses and phone numbers, it'll often reject straight away, and you have to override this at least 2 or 3 times and then tick a box, a disclaimer box. It's a bit odd, but that's the way the system works. Thirdly, if you have to tick yes to any box, there's a chance that you won't actually be eligible for an ESTA. What I suggest you do is contact one of the VAPs and we'll tell you what to do next. If you do by any chance tick yes and then complete, you will end up in a loop which can take 4 to 6 months. Yeah, and in the meantime you can't actually apply for another American visa, so it's a bit of a pain, that one. Fourth, once you've paid, it often comes back pending. Don't be worried about that. It sometimes can take 1 to 3 days to be approved. Quite often it does come back within the first hour or so, but sometimes the system's down for maintenance or some other issue to do with your application. Fifth, remember to print it out. Okay, even though it's electronic, it's important to have a hard copy, and make sure you match it to your passport and your itinerary, because if anything's wrong, even a letter or a number, it's going to create a problem on arrival. If this is helpful, that's great. If it all sounds a little bit hard, then you can always use the VAPs. They don't charge a lot, and they've done thousands of ESTAs. And when you enter your details on the site, someone, an actual person, not a bot, actually looks at your answers to make sure you haven't inadvertently ticked a box or entered some other information that could be a problem. And if there is, someone will contact you straight away, either by phone or email, so that when we do submit an application for you, it gives the most likely chance that it's going to be all okay. It's a fairly straightforward process, but it easily can go wrong. The American system is very black and white. There's no grey area, and on arrival it's either going to be have a nice day or come with us please sir. So if you're doing it yourself, great. Hopefully this has helped. Otherwise use the VAPs.